Hey guys, this is my most successful fan find, and this is our first time. Here is a Lakewood Kmart box fan with 3 speeds. Just found this thing by the curb where a lot of old people were throwing a lot of stuff out. And as you can see, this thing has a Macmillan motor or a Marco motor. Still, I'm not sure. Hey, how's it going? I might have to have Tori the Fan Man decode the date for this, but it is a alright. Focus. Alright. It's a model K-223 and all the rest of the information. Actually, if I can oh no, I think the label has been ripped off. Anyway, here is the fan on low. You're gonna see. This thing is slow. That's because it hasn't been used in a long while. I think Tori the Fan Man might like what I found. Anyway, here it is. Very slow. If you can hear the motor winding. That's what you can hear. I don't know if I can capture it from behind the fan. But it's very slow on low. Now medium. Low's good here. Again, I'm very damn glad I found this thing. Starting to get up to speed. Oh, yep. And here's high. Jesus Christ, you can feel the air from all the way up, from where I'm standing. As you can see, it's a little banged up. Might have to fix that. Might have to clean it outside of the water, but otherwise it runs good. Great. Greater than most fans, actually. They don't make these fans anymore, which is sad. And OFF spells capture the spin down time. Even though it's low windy, it might still spin. May need a little drop of oil. But even though this thing needs a drop of oil, it beats the spin down time of those shitty Lascos. And sorry for my language, I don't usually cuss in my videos anymore. But yeah, here's low again. Okay, what the hell? Alright. But yeah.